Guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to cancel your Designrr subscription, guys. So it's actually really easy and simple. Just come here, click on your user profile icon right here. Click on account settings, okay? Just click on account settings. And then we show you just how you can change your plan. So here's your plan, your subscription. So I'm on the standard plan. I pay just $27 for lifetime purchase. So this is where you're gonna find all your settings. I'm gonna show you just how you can cancel it. So here I have this is some of my credits I have. My billing history, I just bought it once, a one-time payment of $27. It was a special offer, okay, lifetime. Now, this is how you do it, okay? You want to click on this URL. We'll leave the link in the description, guys, for you. So you want to go to this URL, and on this URL, once this loads up, what you're supposed to do is put in your purchase email, okay? The email will be in the top right corner of your dashboard. Let me just show you my email. This is my email right here. Or you can come here, click on your user profile. You're gonna see in the top right corner right here your email. You just want to put that in that website that's loading up. You just want to put that here, and it's gonna send you the link to update your info. So you want to put in that email, okay? Here, your email right here. Put that email, and then the system will send you with your access link, okay? When they send you the email on your email, just click on the link that's provided, and then you'll see your billing hub page, okay? So you're gonna see different things. Your one-time purchases, payment plans, and subscription. So go and click on subscriptions, okay? Click on subscriptions, and you'll see a list of your current subscriptions, whether you're paying $997 per year. This is your subscriptions. So you just click on view, okay? When you want to cancel, just click on view, and then just click on cancel subscription, okay? Just click cancel subscription, and it will stop any future billing, guys. So if you actually want refunds, there's another link here. You can get refunds. And if you have any questions, guys, you can actually contact their support. You'll find them at the bottom right of the screen, like right here, for example. Just click there and contact them, guys. Actually, that is easy and simple. So if this video helps you guys,